Lubos na ipinagluluksa ni Janine Gutierrez ang magkasunod na pagpanaw ng kanyang dalawang lola. Una, ang lola niyang Asia's Queen of Songs, Pilita Corrales, na pumanaw sa edad na 87 noong April 12, 2025. Si Pilita ang ina ni Ramon Christopher Monching Gutierrez na dad ni Janine. Makalipas ang 4 na araw nitong April 16, 2025, ang isa pang lola naman ni Janine, ang national artist at superstar Nora Honor ang pumanaw. Si Nora ang adoptive mother ni Lotlot de Leon na mom ni Janine. Si Nora ay pumanaw sa edad na 71. Sa Instagram kahapon, April 17, formal na inanunsyo ni Janine ang pagpanaw ni Nora na kung tawagin niya ay Mama Guy. Itinuturing daw na treasure ng pamilya si Nora, saad ni Janine. With sorrowful hearts, we share the passing of our grandmother, Mama Guy. A treasure to our family, but truly always more the people's than ours. She had a life of giving her immeasurable love to everyone she touched, whether on screen, through music, or in person. Nagpapasalamat siya sa umaapaw na pakikiramay at simpatyang natanggap nila. Humihingi rin siya ng dasal lalo na para sa inang si Lotlot at sa iba pang anak ng superstar. Sabi ni Janine, "We are deeply grateful for the outpouring of love and support. Please keep our family in your prayers, especially Mama, Uncle Ian, Ate Matet, Kuya Kiko, and Ken as we say goodbye. We find comfort in knowing she, the one and only superstar, will be forever loved." May post din si Janine sa Instagram nung pumanaw si Pilita, ang kanyang mami o mamita noong April 12. Saad ng aktres, "It is with a heavy heart that we announce the passing of our beloved mami and mamita Pilita Corrales." Maraming tao raw ang napasaya ni Pilita, hindi lamang sa pamamagitan ng pagkanta kundi dala ng kabutihan ng kanyang puso. Dagdag ni Janine, Pilita touched the lives of many, not only with her songs, but also with her kindness and generosity. She will be remembered for her contributions to the entertainment industry, but most of all, for her love of life and family. Please join us with your prayers and kind thoughts as we celebrate her beautiful life. Parehong sa Heritage Memorial Chapel sa Taguig City ang burol ng kanyang dalawang lola. Thank you for watching. Manatiling updated, i-click ang subscribe button at notification bell.